Hey there, in this video I'm going to share with you step by step how we can use TraderSync. So TraderSync is a great journaling platform that you can use, and the first thing that you're going to find that in a dashboard you are going to find plenty of data here, like the return here, then the profit factor, the average return, the win rate. On the right side you're going to have like photos, your entry price, then also weekly, like reporting when, in what days you were profitable, in what days you weren't. Also the account performance right here, and it also the hourly, if you like which hours you were the most profitable and which were not, and also the volume. So that's for that. Then you have option to see that you can like set up, change it by symbol, the setup, that you can have like the filtering on the top. And you have also option to add a new trade on the top right if you want to. Now then, you're going to find also all the trades here. So when I would click on the trade, you would have the data for the trade. Now the user experience is, the interface is not that amazing. But again, you can like add image, you can add node here, and you can actually like edit the trade based on your target, based on your stop, the return, and also the buy. So you have like target price, target profit aim, also with the stop, and you would just like add it. So under dashboard you're gonna have reports, and there you're gonna just have like plenty of reports that you can choose from. So you're gonna have the calendar view, the snapshot, the emulator, there are trades, hourly, weekday, month, year, entry price, just like plenty of data that you can look for. And that's pretty straightforward. So this is just calendar here, and you're gonna find the dates and if you're profitable or no. So again, you can add it right here. Then you can have also the journaling here. So for the journaling, you can, for every single, like let's say you're gonna have the trades that when you would click on add a new trade, and you would connect it with your, let's say, interactive brokers, I know where you have account, Fidelity, Robinhood. And then right here, when you're gonna see the journaling, you would see the trade right here, right? And you would click on it, and you can start adding notes and writing notes for it, and you can even add image. So that's also pretty straightforward. Now it's a bit, they don't have like a questionnaire or something here. So notes with kind of like the questions, what you could do better, what you improved. It's something that it's like, in my opinion, missing, but you know, it is what it is. Then also the trades here. So this is again that when we were here already, here you're gonna find all the trades, and you can open it, edit it, and see the data for it. Then under trades, you're gonna have the playlist, where you're gonna have the backtest here, for example, or short. You can click on it, and you can start the playlist if you want to. So that's for the backtesting. Then also you have the market replay. So I need larger screen, but this is where you're gonna find it. And also the strategies. So here you can like, okay, type a name for your backtest. This is the strategy, and you would click save and continue. And we will need to like erase the demo account, but yeah. There where you're gonna got it. So you're gonna have strategies. And right, and then you would have like the data here for your strategy, also the account, the capital, also the entry where you have like add criteria, and that's pretty much it. So you would here just work with the strategy, and that's how it works. Also in the trades you don't see anything now because I like deleted the demo account, but to see the data you would have to go to top right and add a trade and just like start adding trades here. Then you're gonna have also the trading plan, where again you can have like trades to focus and setups, the strategy on which trade was taken, the quantity, the week, month, hour, side. So these are like the default. So I can go like, okay, let's say Monday, Tuesday. So okay, then we're gonna have the made during the trade, and I can add and you can add filter, and this is where you got it, right? Based on these, and this is what you're gonna take into consideration in reporting. So that's pretty much it. This is like a very quick overview on how you can use the TraderSync and what you can do with it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope it provided value, and have a great day and goodbye.